Returning to wealthy coins. Howdy everyone, Shiba Inu coins can't be purchased on Apple. The latest updates about Shiba Inus. Coinbase reports that Apple is planning to tack on a 30% surcharge to the gas expenses for NFT transfers made using the wallet app. Coinbase meanwhile maintains that this is not feasible. This video will discuss the topic of Apple's ban on Shiba Inu coins, the latest updates about Shiba Inus. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. Looking forward to seeing what the Shiba Inu is up to on the 3rd of December. There is a new sense of optimism in the Shiba Inu pricing, which may soon cause a meteoric rise. At its current inflection point, the Shiba Inu price has the potential to set off a massive bullish surge, potentially benefiting people by 35% up to $0.0000125. Two factors greatly increase the likelihood that this action will be taken. At the moment, the monthly support level for the Shiba Inu price is $0.0000933. 4 bearish tries will not be able to break through this barrier. The likelihood of the ship taking off from this location is therefore high. This prediction is supported by the widely used Relative Strength Index, a momentum indicator. A bullish divergence has formed, according to this indicator, which occurs when momentum rises while price movement remains flat. A trend reversal in favor of bulls is the outcome of this technical setup. Accordingly, traders should keep an eye on the Shiba Inu price retest at $0.0000127, the next major barrier. Although this change would result in a 35% increase, to allow SHIB to reach the $0.0000202 mark, it is necessary to convert the same level into a support floor, but this surge can provide investors a return of 124%. The predicted price increase of 124% for Shiba Inus is not completely implausible. SHIB must maintain a monthly price above the support level of $0.000000933. If the price were to fall below this level on a longer-term chart, investors would likely sell their assets as they lose interest in the market. The Shiba Inu's value might rise to $0.0000689 USD if this happens. If the price of SHIB tokens were to skyrocket above 10,800,000% from last week's trading level, they would eventually approach parity with the US dollar. Such a massive benefit could only materialize if 5 conditions were satisfied. The impending release of Shibarium, a layer -2 blockchain that aims to drastically reduce transaction fees, is the most crucial development for SHIB. The Shiba Inu coin was created on the Ethereum network and uses the ERC-20 standard. Ethereum has a reputation for being a reliable network, but its popularity can cause processing delays and excessive transaction costs. If the project wants to achieve its blockchain-based growth goals, Shibarium is essential for drastically reducing these fees. The second step is the launch of games fueled by non-fungible tokens, which builds on the preceding point. People can purchase and sell NFTs on marketplaces and own their inventions in blockchain-based games. Prior to the launch of Shibarium, when transaction costs are significantly decreased, these marketplace transactions may be too expensive. Finally, a substantial increase in merchant acceptability is necessary for Shiba Inu. Despite developers' undivided attention towards the introduction of Shibarium and SHIB's potential in the metaverse, Shiba Inu needs practical application to stabilize its token price. In order for SHIB to reach $1, it is imperative that it is accepted by prominent retailers. Fourth, according to CoinMarketCap, there are an estimated 549 trillion tokens in circulation. To reduce this number, a substantial amount of coin burn would be required. Vitalik Buterin, creator of Ethereum, dramatically reduced the supply in 2021 by sending over 410 trillion to an invalid blockchain address. In 2023, it would likely take a comparable quantity of coin burn to make a difference. To achieve a moonshot of over 10,800,000% in 2023, Shiba Inu would require unprecedented levels of support and buzz on social media message boards. Over 1.25 million wallets are currently holding SHIB coins, as reported by Etherscan. A large portion of this population would have to be social media savvy in order to rally behind an asset that has proven the efficacy of FOMO. There has been a small 36% increase in the burn rate of Shiba Inus over the past day. A total of 6 transactions were executed, and 8,375,655 SHIB were burned. Over the past week, 50 transactions have been processed and 126,452,790 SHIB tokens have been burned. There were 223,264,370 SHIB tokens burned last week. Therefore, this is a decrease from that. Trading at 0.000000093 USD on the 3rd of December, SHIB was somewhat lower than a day before. The price of SHIB has been consolidating since it recovered from its 22nd of November low of 0.0000081 USD, and the range is getting narrower by the day. This could indicate that a change is imminent, albeit to what degree is yet unclear. There will likely be consolidation before the main move, because the daily RSI has flattened. Shiba Inu and Welly, an Italian burger eatery, announced their partnership in February. To facilitate community participation in decision-making, the DAO model was suggested. During the debut of its decentralized organizational group, DOG, in late November, Welly put its DAO approach to the test, as mentioned in a blog post. In order to choose the finest interior design for future franchise locations, members of the community were given 3 proposals by the partner design firm Maschia Spatio. The DOG model will be used in future presentations to the Welly community. Store design, franchise sites, menu items, and packaging are all part of this process. To top it all off, a separate DAO will be utilized by the Shiba Inu community to determine the optimal allocation of cash allotted to SHIB holders, which constitute 15% of the future net store revenues. After Apple's tough new NFT limits were announced in October, Coinbase's Wallet iOS app stopped supporting NFT transactions. You might have noticed that the iOS version of Coinbase Wallet no longer supports sending NFTs. This is because our most recent software release was blocked by Apple until we disabled the feature. Despite not being formally banned, NFTs are subject to a high 30% transaction fee on Apple's mobile app store, according to Thursday's tweet from the Coinbase Wallet account. If developers' apps don't meet that requirement, they will have them withdrawn from the marketplace. Apple reportedly wants a 30% cut of all gas prices, according to Coinbase. Like the fees that come with NFT transfers done through the Wallet app, or the fees that come with Ethereum network transactions. But Coinbase says that this can't happen. According to Coinbase, this is obviously not possible, because anyone familiar with blockchains and NFTs knows how they work. The fact that Apple's own in-app payment system isn't compatible with Bitcoin means that we couldn't comply even if we wanted to. Even when transferring assets like NFTs to another wallet, users are still charged gas for every transaction on the Ethereum network. Without these fees, the network would not be able to operate. Their complexity and lack of central authority make them more difficult to simplify than a flat rate. Depending on the state of the Ethereum network and the efficiency of a smart contract's code, the price of gas, expressed in GUI but paid for in ETH, fluctuates. In addition, advanced users have the option to pay extra to have their transactions prioritized. An irate Coinbase has compared Apple's move to the tech company's desire to cut into the profits from every email sent via open internet protocols, drawing parallels between the two. Tim Sweeney, CEO of Epic Games, is among the many cryptocurrency advocates who are furious over Apple's controversial in-app purchase tax. Sweeney has gone to court to dispute Apple's policy and has said that the tech giant must be stopped. Former YouTube executive and current Polygon Studios CEO Ryan Wyatt has taken a similar tack, branding Apple's 30% tax as illegal. In Wyatt's view, technological progress will be perpetually impeded due to the tax's monopoly on the sector. Elon Musk, Twitter's billionaire CEO, had previously voiced concern that Apple would deplatform the company. After that, on Wednesday, Musk met with Tim Cook, CEO of Apple.